Happy fall, you guys! This is a fake smile. I'm not feeling it. Anyone else not feeling it this year? This is my favorite time of year usually, but the summer went by too fast. I basically wasn't here, which you may have noticed because I don't upload videos. I was living in a hotel basically all summer for work. And so it sucks that it's over. I didn't even get to enjoy it. As much as I love pumpkin spice and fall colors and sweaters, I'm not ready for it, so I'm really grumpy about the whole thing. So I dragged out some of my fall decor bins. I'm slapping it up. I'm hoping that this brings the fall joy back. I lit some pumpkin spice candles. Like the smell is gonna somehow snap me out of my grumpiness. Let's see. I didn't go to the store and buy more this year. I'm just using the totes that I have. Most of it's from the Dollar Tree or Dollarama, and my go-to fall decor is always the like greenery, like the leaves. I spread these things everywhere. And pumpkins, dollar store pumpkins that I sometimes paint so it matches the decor. White or teal. You can paint them any color because here's the thing, they're so expensive to have like painted pumpkins. Grab some hideous bright orange ones, slap on some paint, save yourself a buttload of money.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart.
I decided to go with the long box again because it was at the front of the closet. There's the honest truth. So I was feeling very lazy this year. So I grabbed this box, some dollar store floral foam, and I just stuck in dollar store stuff. Everything in this long box is from the dollar store. You can save so much money by making your own decor. You don't have to have like some sort of talent. Just buy random things and stick it in some floral foam until you like the way it looks.
Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere.
I'm definitely keeping it simple this year. A couple of pillows, some leaves and pumpkins sprinkled here and there, and that's it. Hopefully this makes my love of fall come back. I'm gonna buy some apple cider, bake some pumpkin spice muffins, and just embrace it. If your summer also went by way too fast and you're just not feeling the love for fall, I feel you, but I'm hoping you're feeling some inspiration with this video. Grab some dollar store leaves, throw them around, and fake it till you make it. Hug your home. Just the simple act of doing some seasonal decorating, it honestly makes you love your home a little bit more, and it can make you less sad that the summer's over because pumpkin spice, everything. Team pumpkin spice. Anyone else? Anyone else? No, just me. Okay, see you guys next time. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. So I have a story for you that I don't know if it's inappropriate. I mean, I don't know if I was gonna share it with you, but I am gonna share it with you because it happened and it was crazy pants, but I don't want to offend anyone. So I was at McDonald's for breakfast. I was rushing to go to work. I was out of town, living in a hotel in a town that I've never been in, and they had like a McDonald's, but it wasn't a full McDonald's. It was like a storefront McDonald's, like a cafe. Anyways, so I went for breakfast because McDonald's is delicious, and I was waiting in this really long line. It was one cashier because it was a small little place. And I was waiting, and I hear behind me, if you like her, rub her back. Someone said, if you like her, rub her back. And I turn, and there's a lady who's obviously special needs. She's probably homeless, and she's rubbing my back. Like, rubbing my back. I didn't know what to do. I just sort of like, I didn't want to offend her or hurt her feelings, and so I just let her keep rubbing my back while I stood in line. And then she tapped me on the shoulder and said, "It's okay, I'm just rubbing your back." And I was like, "Okay, I'll just let you rub my back." And then she said, "You like her, brush her hair." And she was talking to herself, and then she started like finger combing my hair and rubbing my back. 10 minutes, you guys. Like, it was the longest line ever. And I really didn't want to hurt her feelings, so I just let her pet me. I just let this stranger pet me for a very long time. And I'm curious to know what you would do. This is what I do. Like, I don't want to hurt people's feelings, and so I don't stand up for myself in situations, especially awkward stranger situations. It's just like, someone steals my seat and I'm like, okay, someone butts in front of the line and I'm like, oh, okay. I don't stand up for myself, basically in any aspect of my life. So this person who I let pet me for 10 minutes straight is like, it's a metaphor for my life. There's a million kind things I could have done. I could have said, "Excuse me, please don't touch me," or I could have said anything instead of freezing and just like letting her do it. I also bought her breakfast because she tried to pay with Kleenex. That was sad. But anyways, what am I talking about? Anyways, I don't know. Who else would react like that? I'm curious to know how you would react in that situation. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time.